Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this exercise, we will create a if-else statement to find whether to check whether the x is a positive or negative number. So the first one we will check. We will create a variable, and then we check whether the x is larger than 0. So if larger than 0 is positive. If not, we check again. Is it x is less than 0? So if x is less than 0, so if x is negative, if not, we will quit. Okay. Okay, so let's begin. So open a new file in your action script, and then first we will create we will declare a variable, or we create a variable. So type your using a var keyword, and then make sure that if you want to use a x as a variable, make sure that you use a capital X. Okay, okay, and then we will check whether the if x is larger than 0. So type if x is larger than 0 is true. What happened? We will trace. We will display the message. X is positive number. Okay. If not, we will check again. We check whether the x is less than 0. So if x less than 0, we will display the message as x is negative. Okay? So you can again you can auto format to make the coding easier to read. Okay. What happened in this? What can you suggest what is the output of this coding? Okay, let's test. Control Enter. You can see there's no output here. Because what? Because we just test the x is positive or negative. Let's change this value 1. Control Enter again. Okay, what's happened? You can see that this just now I mentioned that you have to, if you want to use x as your variable name, so you have use a x capital letter. So this is x small letter. Small letter is axis atau proxy in ActionScript. Okay. You change it again. Control Enter. You can see that x is positive. Okay. And if you change the value of x to negative, let's test again. Control Enter. X is negative. Okay. So this exercise we check 2 times. We check the x. Okay, is it x is less bigger than 0 or less than 0? Okay, but the problem is that when we change to 0, there's no output. Why? Because there's no statement for equal to 0. Okay? So we can add uh, more here. If not uh, less than 0 or bigger than 0, so what happens? Okay, we trace x is 0. Okay, test it again, control enter. You can see that x is 0. So to make your coding uh, better for reading, you can add a comment here. The first line is to create. The first one is to declare a variable. Okay. Okay. So the second line is to this is the conditional statement. Again, you can use a command line command, and then if true, uh, what happen if true? If true, so uh, you will display this message. Okay. And then if not, if false, we will display this x is negative. If not, selain daripada itu, selain daripada itu, x adalah 0. Okay, this is a full coding, full code. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.